ሳልመን ልሰራ ነው ዛሬ። ሳልመን በጣም ብዙ ቅመም ይደረግበታል፣ ግን እኔ የምመርጠው ነጭ ሽንኩርትና አንድ የሆነ ቆንጆ ሳልመን አለ። ሳልመን ራብ ይላል። ሲዝኒንግ ብሌንድ ብዙ ነገሮች አሉት እዚህ ውስጥ። እንግዲህ ብራውን ሹገር ይላል፣ ስሞክድ ፓፕሪካ፣ ኮሸር ሳልት፣ ብላክ ፔፐር፣ ራይስ ኮንሰንትሬት፣ ድራይድ ታይም ነው የሚለው። ሶ ዚስ ኢዝ Trader Joe brand. I'm not affiliated with advertising their products, ግን በጣም ቆንጆ ነው እና በኤር ፍራየር ነው የምሰራው። ኤር ፍራየሪን እንግዲህ ኤር ፍራየሪን የማረገው የፊሽ እንትን ነው የማረገው ፕሮግራም ነው የማረገው ፊሽ ላይ ያረገውና ከዛ ነው minutes and then I'll come back and show you the results. Thank you. እሺ አሁን ምን አለኝ እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት እንትናል ብሮኮሊ አለኝ። ከዛ ደግሞ cauliflower medley. So it's going to be very good side to my fish. Stay with me. So let me pour some cold water in here. Guys, እንግዲህ half of the time already here, so let me show you how it will look like. It's half of the time. Okay, keep putting it down here. It's not like the what's the garlic on the top. It's supposed to be on chunks. Okay, that's fine. I'll have to put back, and next time don't open it, just for your purpose. I just wanted to show you how it is. Like this time at 9:32 minutes. Yeah, so far it's up to here, guys. It's bubbling a little bit, steaming. It's going to be very good for side, my fish side. And then You know flavor, you know food. Okay, it's done. Let's go see how it looks like. It is nice and then my kids are hungry. They're about to eat it. Woohoo! It's about to be served. It looks nice like that. Let me take a picture. You are excited? Screen. Yeah, and then also I have this one ready for me, and I'm gonna put some. You see? Grand and nice. I'm gonna put some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and then a little lemon in there, and I'm gonna make a little dressing like with pepper, not salt. ጨው አናረግም፣ ምክንያቱም ጨው አልጠቀመንም። እስካሁን ጨው ስናረግ ኖረን አልጠቀመንም ጨው የሚባል ነገር። ሰው ትንሽ የኦሊቭ ኦይል አረግና ዳም it's gonna look nice። ትንሽዬ ደግሞ ይሄንን እናድርግበት። ትንሽዬ ደግሞ ሌመን ጁስ በጀነረስሊ ማድረግ ይቻላል። ሲትረሲ well mix this one. I'll come back after mixing this, okay? Because I have a one hand camera and then it's going flip-flopping. This is another side. Let me take a screenshot as well. Cute. Well, that's it. I'll come back soon. I'll show you the final result. Like this one is here. You're gonna serve it in a plate. ቆንጆ አድርገን ሰርቭ እናደርገዋለን በፕሌት። ሀበሻዊ ዊ ነች ይቺ ልጅ ለካ ቀለሟ ልዩ ጸባይና መልኳ ሀበሻዊ ዊ ነች ይቺ ልጅ ለካ ጸባይዋ ልዩ መልኳ Said what? Said who? Said what? Skrabab, brasi ufneo. Damn it. That looks nice. Awesome. And I want that to make it a little colorful. And I also have some rice over here, still cooking. And it's really timing rather than I think my understanding, but it looks like that. When it comes out, it will be a little spicy because I added some pepper in this one. በርበሬ አድርጌበታለሁ። ቆንጆ ነው የሚሆነው ሲወጣ። ዘይት አድርጌበታለሁ። ጨው አላደረኩም ለቴን ብዬ ግን ሌላ ቬጅቴብል ሚክስ ምናምን አድርጌበታለሁ። it takes for a while ሲበስል እስከ ላይ ድረስ ነው የሚሞላው። አይገርማችሁ በቃ ሙልት ነው የሚለው። so it's like a jasmine rice, my favorite jasmine rice. But I have whole grain rice last time, this one because my husband had some healthy rice. So I tried to cook this one with beans. So I can put a little side over here because this can be my dish. Yeah, it's good. Healthy. You're not gonna see this one because it wasn't a part of the video. So, but this is nice. Whole grain rice with beans, red kidney beans, and a little healthy lunch like that. Everybody, come to be my guests. It is so beautiful, man. Let's eat it. So thank you for watching, everyone. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. I'm sure you're gonna love my recipe. This is so nice. Okay, let me show you how it's turned out. Like here. Okay, my fish is here. And yeah, this is nice and tender, but I don't eat the skin part. Okay, you don't have to eat the skin part. Let's see. Oh, it's moist and nice. Looks so good. Yeah. Yeah, that's what it is.